guys, what's going on? I didn't make this trip, but my crew did. And Ryan from Fireant Boats got pretty much most of the footage, along with everybody else who sent me little tidbits here and there from their cell phones, because I was supposed to go to this, didn't make it, but they got it, and they got it in fantastic detail. One of the fastest john boats in the country, if not maybe the fastest, who knows, for electric john boats as well. And it probably is the fastest electric john boat in Georgia. In terms of what we saw from the first electric tourney, if you want to see that playlist on some of the Georgia electric bass boat tourneys, what we gathered there, and some of the stuff that was happening there to what we see today, pretty substantial feats, like night and day. Like this person's going to run laps around everybody else in the tourney. There's a lot of stuff going on here. We're going to talk about the full analysis of the motor, but I want you to see this Elco 50 horse and the underground powered lithium battery setup we have in this, I think it's an 18-foot john boat with 3 full-grown men going wide open. Let's talk about it. Just to give you a quick rundown, we are at Piedmont Custom Fab, where the entire crew gathers. The people from Underground Power have come down to rig their batteries up. This is a 96-volt setup with lithium batteries running out of it. We'll give you a little bit more toward the end of the video on what that actually is, but it is quite a few 12-volt batteries right in series to power this 50-horse electric outboard. Weighing it at around 150 pounds. On an 18-foot john boat, that's pretty robust, and not exactly light itself.
It's alive!
What's y'all's estimated speed?
20.
20.
As the boat sits without all the proper stuff in it,
Nate,
might
enough.
see 22 or 23.
Enough, Nate. Be the fastest boat on the lake. Any electric lake.
Before Nate from Underground Power brought these batteries down to power this outboard, we had some parts that we wanted to try out, some stuff that we knew beforehand may or may not work the greatest, but we wanted to try it. So there was a few test runs before we initially let the entire boat wide open, at which time Nate just went in there and reconfigured the entire thing, and it was ready to go fairly quickly.
Yahtzee.
Okay, so 3 people in the boat simulates what a fully outfitted boat with 2 people in gear in a tournament would likely do. When they got up to 25, it's extremely impressive. And I don't really know if a gas outboard would do much better in the same situation. Right here we're with the owner. Solo, it's only going 1 mile an hour faster, meaning that we probably, if we pitched up, we could probably get a little bit more mileage out of the boat by itself.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Let's get back.
I think the blooper's real.
I'd go
Yeah, sit on front,
sit on the
backwards,
front
point
right
toward
there.
us.
Yeah,
Where the seat post is.
Yep.
Yeah,
And then just face that.
There ain't no
way.
vertical supports for us 250 plusers.
All right, turn off.
Is this motor expensive? Yes. Is the lithium battery packs even more expensive? Definitely. But seeing this thing on the water perform as it does is a pretty giant feat for John boat fishing, especially electric only tourneys. And it just shows you how far people will go just to get the edge of the sport. And if you follow the Tiny Boat Nation, then you know exactly what we were talking about in that room.
Oh man, I can't say. Congratulations, man. This is.
Appreciate it. Wait for the front.
Why the prop's not even in the water back here.
Your face was priceless, by the way.
Can't believe it, dude. Like,
Priceless.
Mike would shit a brick.
oh yeah.
He should have been